on the occasion of 79th Independence Day celebration. Dear students, it's a great pride for us we gather every year on 15th August to celebrate Independence Day. And it's a culmination of the events of series of events of several revolts, movement. After that, we were able to get the independence, we were able to find the freedom. Friends, if we find the history of the Independence Day, when the first time in 1929, in the Congress session of Lahore, the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru declared the full Independence Day, that was called the Swaraj Divas. And first Independence Day was celebrated on 26th January 1930. And from 1930 to 1947, every day Independence Day was celebrated on 26th January. But our freedom found independence on 15th August. And from 1947, every year we celebrate Independence Day. Dear students, you can imagine about the struggle where our struggle was suppressed or repressed by the British colonial rule. And British came here as traders, but then they became rulers. And about more than 300 years of struggle, our independent fighters, our freedom fighters found freedom. And today is the day to remember such freedom fighters. ये मेरे वतन के जरा आंख में भर लो पानी, ये मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आंख में भर लो पानी, याद करो उन वीरों को जो शहीद हुआ इस धरती पर. Today is the day to remember all our freedom fighters. And Independence Day is not only to gather for celebration, we have a lot of responsibility here to understand about our problems. You are young, so you have more responsibility, you have great responsibility. You have to remain the meaning of independence in our nation. So students, what is the meaning of independence for you? The meaning of independence for you to do hard work, to obey the rules, to maintain the peace and follow all the given guidelines. So now our freedom, our independence has arrived and completed already 78 years. And every year such celebration will be continued. And every year we have some great challenges. So our country requires here to free corruption India, to digital India, to educated India. So our task here increased to maintain such responsibility. And at last, I hope all the students, the meaning of our independence, you will get your opportunity to develop your career. और इसी के साथ मैं आज इस स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाओं के साथ अपना स्पीच को समाप्त करता हूँ. एक बार पुनः स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक बधाई आप सभी को. धन्यवाद.